They say one brother Mike, one blogger, what they call brother Mike, they say the guy don't enter inside big wahala. As a Biafra Army don't send a strong message, give am the way they talk to their PM Simon Ekpa. I'm going to play the video. Not say many people no know waiting talk. They hear the one where they send that message, but many people no hear waiting talk where make they can send that message. I will play the two videos, just watch from beginning to end. May you understand everything will happen as they heard. Don't forget to see there for Blabagis. As they watch, make sure say they share the video.
Talk about man to give him money. Look at the idiots. Don't shoot. Look at the idiots. You can see it. He's 7 more half here. Let them come and shoot gun. Where we follow? Where we follow? Come and show road. Let's go. Leave it. That's not happy here. Happy here. You're not with them. Yeah, watch. Look at people they are watching. Buffalo, let's go. We are going in front. Let them come and shoot gun. Let's go. We are walking straight to them. Let's go. Let's go. You know I'm with them. You know, hear something. Let's go. This is Ebama here. Everybody and vigilante and hunters. They enjoy together and look at our trouble.
Move. Until you see waiting people they pass for this. That policeman right now, where they all drop down for that place. Now somebody papa, that he be. Right now, that man wife now become widow. You see, because of say they are fighting for freedom. You they fight for freedom, but you they use your fellow poor man's head for sacrifice. You they use your brothers when they live for the state, when they guide the state, you they use their head for sacrifice. That one I love. You see life. Let go to who they preach for this place. When I go there for abroad, they sponsor all those people. Say yes, go and take the life. Go and do this one. By the police, by the soldier, by this one. Whereas una leader when they arrest them for Abuja. No, if una fit go Abuja, go talk, say why they own a leaders. Una they promote more violence. Believe me or not, with this type of character, they will never leave Mazinadi Kanu. If una no stop this buying for ease, no peace for ease anymore. Igbo people right now, the good ones, they fear to go invest right now for East. They invest for Lagos, invest for so many places. But to go their father's land now, a problem because there's no peace of mind in that place. They fight for freedom. You want freedom December 2. If you be government for this country, will you accept it? Eh? And the funniest part, you guys are not doing Mr. President any good or bad. Nothing. Whatever you guys are doing, you never really affect them. Not the reason why, because you never really close to your family. Every man love their family so much and their brothers. If you really love your brothers, you will take their life for sacrifice. You guys are taking blood, put on the hand. Igbo now become place of sacrifice. You are using the policeman head for sacrifice, soldier man head for sacrifice, the innocent one head for sacrifice. You know how many back man don't back for that country, as a country for that state? Eh? Because of Funanana, so first son don't die, last son don't die. People now they fear to go back home. It don't too much. Stop this violation. It don't too much. They arrest Simon Ekpa. Una protest? No. All of them just feel concerned. Say yes, no affect una. Whatever thing you guys are sowing today for East, you know no see. There is a God that is back up in everybody. Any life you wanna take, that man wanna drop down soul. That man get God. I don't be all they see, not be all they see. Every blessed day, I beg to all the good Igbos. It's our time we know see. If you are fighting for freedom, don't use your brother life to fight for freedom. Don't use anybody life to fight for freedom, because any land with blood too much. God they already they eat the land. Una they help God they fight now. You are not helping anybody to fight. You are helping God to fight, and nobody fit help God. So, if you live for East, I beg, stay, like try to protect yourself. Stay on a low key, I beg. Policeman, soldier man, civilian, whatever thing you are doing, market women, widows, everybody, first son, I beg. Try to protect yourself. You see, because now, sometimes, devil will use some people to punish you. Will use some people to make you look stupid in the world, in your father's land. You see, I beg, Mr. President, I beg. The buying for is not too much. We don't know the one. We don't know their interest. I don't know what they're benefiting by bringing somebody down. I beg. We could not call help Igbo people. We could not have mercy. I beg. To all the soldier police, I beg. We could not be vigilant. Because when I be somebody, Papa, if anything happen to una now, una picking will patch you a lot. And the funniest part, anybody will die for this country, don't die with that one. You see, if we dey for abroad, so you say Biafra, so many things, I beg. Try to calm down. If it is the will of God for Biafra to come to pass, it will come to pass. Stop using your life to punish other people. It don't really make any sense. It don't make any sense. I beg. We need peace for Igbo land. We need peace for you so that our brothers they can't invest. Even myself, they can't invest. They can't do so many things for us. Not too much.
And I want to give this warning to Brother Mike. Anybody that knows Brother Mike should forward this message to him. Brother Mike, Brother Mike, Brother Mike, how many times do I call you? You are biting more than you can chew. You are biting more than you can chew. Don't mess with Biafras. Don't mess with Biafras. This message is coming to you from Biafra Liberation Army. Yourself from anything Biafra. Remove yourself from anything Biafra. We are freedom fighters. We don't joke. We are serious on what we are doing. Don't joke with Simon Ekpa. Don't play with Simon Ekpa. Remove the Simon Ekpa name. Remove Simon Ekpa name from anything you are doing. Remove his name. We are not a troublemakers. But if you bring trouble, come. Brother Mike, we will give you the trouble with the water. We know they find trouble, but we know they run for trouble. We they embrace trouble. We they welcome trouble, but we know they find trouble. We know they look for trouble. So this message is for you, Brother Mike. Anybody that knows Brother Mike should forward this message to Brother Mike. Let this be the first and the last warning.
Because of say I talk say make una make peace, make una find out na fit release Mazinani Kanu from prison. Now make you cover your face. They threaten me say you go buy me or do me anything. See my hand. I don't wash my hand come out. This is the reason why sometimes say God only favor the land. God go separate himself from the land because when blood is too much, God go only speak for that place. Which crime I do now when make carry gun come outside they threaten me and say, Brother Mike, this one, Brother Mike, this one. I made you tell una see the best way to release that man from prison. Now make una make peace. Say the blood sharing for is not too much. Waiting you they gain by you now taking the life of your fellow Igbo man. Taking the life of your fellow Igbo man and don't become no match to una. It don't really make any sense. So everybody get feelings. Everybody. You see, if Christmas die for road, even the owner of the Christmas will come outside, he go cry. You see, so you the happy now say every day now they buy innocent people for this. So you are very proud of it. You see, hi, what a life. Example, no. Simon Ekpa dey for Finland, with a family. They train pikin for school. Make sure say pikin become better person for life. If you get Finland citizen. But you now, me and you now for this country now, they patch you a lot for insecurity. Problem. I wish you know say me and you get children to take care of. It's better for us to make peace. Let God by himself take all the glory. Everybody only crime when I do. Say I talk, say no. This is the reason why they even arrest someone now. Say they arrest them. Whether it's truth or not, nobody know. People no protest. Nobody protest. Nobody talk about them. So if that video when I make talk about say the release of Mazinani Kanu, say the man don't too safe for that place. At least the man get family. Make Tinubu abeg have mercy to free the man. If that video verse now, I beg in my hand. No verse. I beg. No verse. No verse. No verse. Yeah. Temper justice with mercy. No verse. I beg. All glory belongs to God and all the power belongs to Una. No verse. See me, oh, I beg. See me, I beg. Indibu, I beg, no verse. Yeah. Now because of say my dad come from Igbo. I be Igbo, my dad the reason why I talk put. They not feel force person give am food, no don't green. People for ease not to pass through a lot. Just imagine now today na Monday. Some of them now no go work, they're there for house. It don't really make any sense. You see, the best way right now to make peace for Igbo land. Even Mazinani Kanu, the leader talk and say, if they release am in less than 20 minutes, everywhere go cool down for ease. Without try violation, it no work. People don't die, it no work. People children don't die. Land, so many things don't go. At least, when we try peace, everybody make a bad person, you know. But I make this one, I beg you no verse in my hand. It's the reason why Igbo people, sometimes they always betray themselves. Don't be surprised now because of Igbo man, they see you down match today. No surprise. Sasokorosha beg Babio. See, I beg me to send this message to the president. They do it from a form of crusade. If you don't want to carry your wife in your hand. Even the man may say yes, he go send the message to the president. On a peaceful protest. If this is a violation, time of Buhari, people they die for this every time. Why Buhari no release Mazinani Kanu then? May God bless all the good Igbos. May God bless them. With a cry, with a mourn. At least, Christmas don't reach. Now people they fail to go house. Just imagine now for live video. See what you are doing now. For video. Threatening me. I don't talk bad against Amoyepa. Name me arrest the man. I don't know why they arrest him. You see, I don't say the man is fighting for freedom. Or he talk say December 2nd they will do Biafra. And you again, when they say you be all power belongs to you. You get children, you get wife. You see, at least think about the future for those people. It's more important. When I make it not your enemy, I will never be your enemy. I'll be Igbo man. You see, from Enugu State. I know my pa land, I know my pa house. You see, I be you don't say I can't let they cost anybody. I say I'm not on this one. No. At least, I just I beg. Let peace there for ease. Let the widows go market. Let the poor at least succeed. Because the reason why, the more they sit at home, it affects the rich. Sit at home will never affect the rich. So I beg to all my Igbo people, Biafra people, if that my video when I talk about Mazinani Kanu release, you want to say at least we will make peace. When they release the man, we go see family, say Christmas don't reach. At least we see fully family enjoy this Christmas. Now the video verse now, we could have no verse, could not have mercy. And we all make mistake. And because of mistake, forgiveness is there. Understand? Without sin, without a mistake, forgiveness for no day. So I go mind my business. From now go, I don't talk about them again. You hear me? So because I will say when I give people chance to the talk, people for the talk. Because I say I talk nah. Just a little video. Now go on, don't come inside. So when I no verse, have mercy.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, and I also want you to share the video so that other people will still understand wetin happen, because people are sharing the main video while they are not sharing the two video as well. So now wetin brother Mike talk now be this. Now waiting the Biafra Liberation Army respond to brother Mike now be this as well. So drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video. Thank you for watching.